Hello, Cullen's guys. How you doing? Today, Cullen decided he wanted a workbench. So he looked at all of Grandpa's scrap wood laying all over this place and said, Grandpa, I want a workbench. So, look at what we're doing.
This is where most of my videos are going to take place now.
So this is just all kinds of scrap wood laying around, left over from this job and that job and whatever. And we're gonna make them a workbench. It's nothing too fancy.
As you see by the wood, there's like black
This
marks.
wood's old. There's cut marks in it. I use this for this, that, or the other thing.
You've even written on one of them.
Oh. But I don't know how many kids at 9 years old, 10 years old can say they got a homemade workbench.
I mean, maybe you guys can do it. So I'm just doing whatever Grandpa tells me to do because I really want this thing.
He's my assistant, and he's
Holding down these pieces of wood.
down and getting this and that. So we got a 2x4 down here. We have two of them to hold these boards together. I left a little lip on this 2x4 so I can put another 2x4 across it like that to make like a backdrop. These will be the legs that go underneath here. This is actually going to be the top of the board.
What? I thought this is the bottom.
No, I flipped them over when you were over there.
Oh.
So now we just got to. I got to do the other side.
So this is where most of my videos are going to take place.
Take
My
the legs
workbench.
Take the legs off there. Actually, you know what I can do? Careful, that's going to fall on the floor.
Oh, no, it ain't. Here, you take it. Take the camera.
Huh?
Take the camera.
Who am I filming? You or me?
You're filming you right now.
There he is. Helper's working. So there. We're going to put the same thing underneath there like that. And underneath it, and then I'll have another piece across there for a backdrop. It'll go like this. It'll be a longer piece, but it'll go all the way across there like that. There you go. So now we gotta put this. Oh, you know what I didn't do? You know what I didn't do? Here, you take this piece. Take that piece off. We gotta measure this piece too. And clamp it down.
Oh, did he screw all those together?
See, these boards aren't. I knew these boards weren't. These boards weren't all completely 100% even, which is okay.
Did he screw them together already?
Huh? This one's screwed on, yes.
Oh.
See?
Oh, cool.
This one we haven't done yet. We gotta.
Bum, bum, bum.
Remember?
Oh, yeah.
Put that in the corner where it goes.
Yeah.
Okay, now I gotta clamp that down. Can I have two of those clamps that are behind you?
There you go.
One.
Right there. Other ones are.
Okay. I'm gonna slide this down to that end of the table. Watch
Okay.
this piece. Make sure it doesn't fall on her head. This one. Hang on. Oh, what am I thinking? I'm gonna do this.
Just drill them in. I mean, that's the only logical thing, right?
Logic. says the big words, logic. I got the solution.
Okay. Dropped you guys.
Hey,
Yeah?
what are you doing?
Setting up the camera. Okay, we've got a good angle on the camera. Look.
Oh, there you go. Right, well,
For an image phone.
I'll tell you what, you can give me screws. And each time I need two each time, okay? Grab a handful and good thing I did.
Screwed up.
I did.
Screwed.
I definitely
Screwed
did.
up. Please make a motion for me doing that.
Grandpa
It's so
screwed
worth
up.
It's a workbench. It's not that.
Well, I'll use the same hole for that one.
Hey, it's a great worship song. This is jumps out of the Ben believes it. Rest on a hallelujah.
I don't know. One of my urges. Thanks. Can you use a screw to screw in a screw?
Oh, I hate screwing down like that. I like to screw it.
Make sure you watch these kind of videos because you get to see behind the scenes.
You know, I didn't draw my line. I did this last time.
You guys just screw it up.
I don't need that anymore.
Some scrap wood that I'm taking out.
Oh no, I'm gonna need that piece of wood. I gotta cut it again. For your backside, okay?
Yep. Okay guys, I just put that back to the scarf wood. I just put that scrap wood back. We'll probably have a part 2 of this because this video's already getting long.
Yeah.
We'll have to do some behind the scenes kind of things.
Go get that piece again. Go get that piece again. Hurry up.
Go back and screw it in my hand. Watermelon.
Around that. Good go. Right along these. Perfect. Okay, Spanky.
Take 2.
I need you too. You know your 4x4s up on here. These are 4x4s, by the way.
4 by 4 by 4 by 4.
Seem to be missing one, but right there.
Yeah.
Right here. Right there. press down on that.
I'll help you out with the screws. I'm gonna grab you guys right now.
I think we're good to go. I hope I got this straight. It looks good.
Now we got it right there.
Doesn't look straight.
Actually kind of does.
Well, let's just say caught off guard kind of moments like Jeff had the other day.
Told my daughter at school, they said you gotta come into the
Gotta
office.
get this.
Sign her out. That's great, except for the fact that I'm wearing PJs, a t-shirt, and no shoes or socks. That's gonna be a problem.
Embarrassing.
Well, I just want to take you guys to the lab, but I just want to share a story about my son with the rest of your pajamas in carpool.
What's Grandma doing?
Oh, she can listen to carpool.
I don't know.
No.
You know, there's something
Okay.
about the thing about
Sure.
moms who put on clean underwear and stuff. They were right.
There she was, fuzzy slippers, nightgown, handbag.
Never seen. You think about how many miles I've driven. I've never
Screw up.
seen one.
Okay, I'm gonna need 2, 4, 5 more.
Oh, forgot that part. Hi, Kayla.
Think my rubber, my band-aid got wrapped around this thing. Ripped it right off.
And so she finally decided, fine, I'll bring it to you.
Take one of the garbage.
So that kind of cuts down on the call to meeting, you know, for everyone's oh, we have pajamas and curlers and fuzzy slippers. There's your box.
Man, I bet that helicopter never took off again.
Chris Tomlin.
It's the final screw.
With Chris Tomlin.
You know why that's doing that? That right there. What is that?
Trip to Denver to see Chris
It's
Tomlin
not.
live at Red Rocks. Look over the airport.
Boom. Sorry, it's a workbench. You gotta remember, it's a workbench. It's not a table. Like a dinner table.
If it was a table, we can reverse it anyway. If we can
All right.
put it on reverse.
Get 2 of these, take 2 of those off.
To win now at klove.com.
Are you not listening, mister? Take that off. But you know what? Bring that over here. I'll show you something. What we'll do is cut. We're gonna cut this piece, and it'll go like that for your backside. I'll cut it like that, and that'll be the backside of your thing.
Okay.
All right. All right. You guys okay with that? I'm okay with that. Oh, got a thumbs up. Well, I might as well mark it while we're here, right? There's my angle. It's over there in the chair. What are you doing, Zeke? Look at this leash. She's getting shorter and shorter and shorter.
You can barely get anywhere. Okay, we're gonna do some behind the scenes stuff. I'll come back to you when it's almost done, but see you guys next time.